Dr. Ibrahim B. Sayyed was born in Bellary, India, to Mumtaz Begum and B. Sayyed Ahmed. He received his BS in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics from the University of Mysore. He received his MSc degree in Nuclear Physics in Bangalore from the University of Mysore. He earned the Doctor of Science degree in Nuclear Medicine Sciences in 1972 from the world-renowned the Johns Hopkins University located in Baltimore, Maryland. He was awarded an honorary PhD from the International University in Malta in 1984. He was awarded an honorary PhD from Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Bellary in 2013. He is a fellow of the American College of Radiology, a fellow of the British Institute of Physics, a fellow of the American Institute of Chemists, a fellow of the Royal Society of Health. He is a diplomat of the American Board of Radiology and the American Board of Health Physics and serving as an examiner for both the boards. He served as a technical expert in nuclear medicine for the International Atomic Energy Agency, located in Vienna, Austria, with field missions to the Islamic Republic of Bangladesh and Republic of Guatemala in Central America. He served as an expert in radiological physics under the United Nations Development Programme and visited premier postgraduate medical institutions in India for a period of 2 months. Dr. Ibrahim B. Sayyed was the first medical physicist of Karnataka. Most notably, he was invited as guest of honor along with our former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri for Colombo Plan inauguration in February 1965. He is listed in Who's Who in America 54th edition in 2000 among more than a dozen national and international biographical works of reference. Dr. Sayyed is an educator and currently he is a clinical professor of medicine at the University of Louisville School of Medicine, Louisville, Kentucky. He is a notary public in Kentucky State at large. He is a prolific writer and has published over 100 articles, chapters, books on topics related to his profession. His outstanding contribution to diversity in education while providing a positive role model for students conferred him a Diversity Award 2002. On behalf of Garden City family, we warmly welcome you, sir.